All right. So once again, now we have multiplication. So do I take multiplication and make it division since I take division and make it multiplication? No, I keep it like this, and all I have to do is I need to do some factoring here, right? So are any of these like quadratics, or any of these like standard form of quadratics, or any of that kind of stuff? What do you see when you look at these? Do you see trinomials? You do? You see three terms? No, we see all binomials, right? So when I see all binomials here, what I need to think about is GCF. I need to look at each one of those individually and say, what's a GCF in each? So let's look at the numerator here of this one. What's the GCF in 10x squared minus 20x? 10x. Good. What am I left with? X minus 2, right? Y'all agree with that? All right, and so what's the GCF here in the bottom?
40x squared.
Very good, 40x squared. What am I left with when I do that? X minus 2. Ah, we like that, don't we? All right, what about the GCF in this numerator here? Is 8 it? 10 goes into 16? Okay. 8 what? X squared. Okay, which leaves 2x plus 10. So I don't believe that 8 was the GCF then, to me. Because isn't there still GCF in 2 and 10? So is 16 the GCF? All right. So my question again, is 8 the GCF here? Because there's still another one left, right, of 2. And so this is not going to be that. It's going to be actually 16x squared, which leaves me with x plus, is it 5? Okay. All right, so what about the bottom? What's the GCF? 6. What does it leave me with? X plus 5. All right, so now let's look and see what we can cancel out. Right off, this jumps out that I can cancel both of those, right? And right off, I can cancel both of those. Now I start looking at the numbers that I factored out. Can I do some canceling there? So first of all, let's look at them up and down, because here's something you need to see about them. They can cancel up and down, and then they can also cancel diagonally. Okay, now it doesn't have to be that way. We can multiply it now and then cancel at the end. Okay, but I'm going to look at these two together. First of all, I know that the zeros are going to cancel and give me 1/4, right? I know that the x here is going to cancel and leave me with 1x in the bottom. So what I'm left with is I'm left with 1 over 4x on that side. Do you agree?
Yes.
All right. What about on the next one? No x's are going to cancel, correct? 6 and the 16 reduces down to what? What goes into both 2 or goes into both 16 and 6? 2 does. 2, so this is going to leave me 3, and this is going to leave me 8, right? So now I'm left with 8x squared over 3. Now, do we have any reducing going on in these two directly diagonal of each other? Yeah, this 4 can cancel out with there and give me a 2. And this x can cancel with that and leave me with an x. So what's my final answer look like? And there we have it. Good to go? Sorry, there's the video.